Keeping healthcare workers and Americans safe happens to be included in the final trade of the day. Mike Shorr of Prosper Trading Academy joins us now. And Mike, what's capturing your attention?
Hey, well, so what I'm looking at is a stock that I don't normally trade, but actually has good, robust volume and bid-ask spreads. It's APT, Alpha Pro Technologies, and what they do, they provide PPE. And on Tuesday, Bernie Sanders introduced, now this bill wasn't passed, but introduced a bill that would force companies that normally don't make these type of products into making them. Like we saw with Ford earlier in the year, GE's had some stuff with that. We've seen Kodak be put into that, basically to provide everybody in the United States with a high quality mask and making them wear it. Now, is it going to pass? No. But if it does, companies like AHPI, which doesn't have options, and APT stand to benefit from that because they already have the infrastructure in there. So this thing is trading in the high 23s. I'm looking, if it gets up in the higher 23s, between 23.80 and 24, I'm going to buy the 25 calls. And those are trading right now for about $1. And then I'm going to have about a 30-cent stop on that guy. And then after that, then I'm just going to let it run to the upside.
Mike, do you see any kind of a trade in that other stock that you mentioned, Allied Healthcare Products, or will you stay away completely from that one because it's harder to manage risk when a stock does not have options?
I really haven't looked at it because as soon as I had never traded that before, and when I brought it up, it said no options listed. So the worst thing that could happen, it would look even better than APT. And then I would feel really bad, but that's not the case.
Well, thanks so much for sharing your trading strategies with us today, Mike.
Thanks for having me, Ash.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.